good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. If today is your first time joining us, please click on the like and subscribe button. Follow us so that you can get updated when we drop a video. And in today's class, I'll be teaching how to draft this trending gown. I'll be teaching how to draft it. So let's get started with the class. Follow me. So the first thing you need to take is your half length, which is my half length is 18. I'll be adding half, which is 18 and half. And I'll be taking my under bust measurement, which is 14.25. Point, which is 9.75. 9.75. 9.75. Now I'll be taking my chest line. So your chest, like where your armhole is going to start from, so which is your chest line. The chest line is the upper part of your breast, like this place. So to get your chest line, you have to do your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5, and my bust is 35.5. So 35.5 divided by 6 plus 1.5, it will give me 7.3. 7.3. 7.3. 7.3. So now I'll be connecting all the lines together like this. Chest line, bust points, under bust, and your full length, which also serves as your waist. Then now for you take your dart, which is your nipple to nipple, which is 3.5. My nipple to nipple is 7. 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. I'll take it like this to the bust point. Then I'll take it like this. Then for my bust point, I'll come down by just 1. Then I connect my dart. Then for me to connect my dart now, I'll take ½ inch on both sides, ½ inch and ½ inch. Then I'll connect it to that place that I came down with 1 inch. I hope you can see clearly in the video. Like this. Now, to get my armhole curve, I'll go up by 3 inches. Then I'll come in by 0.75 for the front. Then for my neckline, I'll be using 3.5, which is 3.5. I'll be using it like this. And for me to get my neck depth, I'll first of all come by 3. Then check my neck depth. For my neck depth, I'll be using 7. Yes, I'll be using 7. Then from that neck depth, I'll go in by 0.75 like this. Then I'll connect it straight first. Then I will connect it like this from the neckline. And I'll take my shoulder slants, which is like this. Then I'll connect it to the neckline. So from that one, I'll come like this. Then now, my bust measurement, my round circumference is 35.5, as I said, divided by 4 is giving me 8.8. Then I'll measure my 8.8 like this, 8.8 like this. Then I'll use my curve ruler. Like this. So that is that for that. So now to now get the curve, to get that upper part, the first thing you do is, can you see, from this point here, you connect it to your underbutt. So which I'll be connecting like this, like this. Then from here, like this, I'll be taking it like this. Like this. Then now, let's measure my waist. My waist is 28. 28 divided by 4, that is 7, and that is 1/4 of it. Then I'll be adding this 1 inch for that, and 1.5 inch for the allowance. So I won't be doing that for my underbust because my underbust and my waist is the same measurement, but just let me just do it. That is 7. That is 7 here. Whatever I have on this underbust, I'm having 1/2 inch. I'll replace it back here, the 1/2 inch, and I'll be adding my 1.5 inch allowance. That is it. Then for my chest line, I'll also be adding the 1.5 inch allowance, like this. So, and that is that. Then I'll be connecting with my straight ruler, like this, and like this. So that is that. So now the next thing for us to do is to cut it out. That means I'll do voice over because of this door. Hope you are watching closely on how I'm separating, how I'm cutting everything out. So this is it. For those of you that use 1/2 inch for your shoulder slope, you can still use it. Yes, it works. And it won't affect anything. So this is it. And for this side that I cut out, you'll be joining it back. I'll be using my masking tape, which you all know as your paper tape. I'm not overlapping it. I'm just putting it very much closer to it. As you can see, I'm not putting them on top each other, just closer to it, like this, so that it won't pull out like this. So this is it, as you can see. So for this dart, I'll be closing the dart up like this. For this one, I will overlap it because I'm closing it out, but that one I'm not closing it. And this is just everything. The half length I use for the front is the same half length I'm going to use for the back, which is 18 plus half inch. That is 18 and a half. And that is 18 and a half. 18 and a half. Then my chest line is 7.3. 7.3. Then I'll be taking 1 inch for zip. 1 inch for the zip. 1 inch. 1 inch. And 1 inch. And you connect it down like this. Then I'll start with my neckline measurement, which I use 3.5 for the front. So before that, let me connect all the lines. This is our chest line for the back and our half length for the back. My shoulder, I told you my round shoulder is 15, which is 7.5 plus half inch, that is 8. Then I'll be connecting like this. I use 1 inch shoulder slope. Then I'll be using the same thing for the back. Then I'll connect it to the neckline. Now that is that. My bust circumference is 35.5 divided by 4, that is 8.8, and that is that. So to get your shoulder, your back armhole, you have to divide whatever you have here into 2. You know the front we came up by 3, but the back you have to divide anything you have into 2. Then you go in by 0.5, which you do like this. First of all, you connect with your straight ruler. Then to get the armhole curve, you connect with your curve ruler, and which is like this. You'll be placing it like this. I hope you are seeing it well. You don't need to rush, you need to take your time. Like this. So now this is our neckline. To get the depth, to get the back depth, I have to come down by 1, then take my back depth. I'll be taking, I want a very low back, so I should be using 8. Then I'll connect it like this. And I'll take my waist measurement, which is 28 divided by 4, 7 plus 1.5 inch. Then this one, so I'll be adding 1.5 inch measurement to it. No that, no that. I don't put that in my clothes at all, unless it's an office dress. I don't put that. So And that is that. So I'll be removing 1/2 inch from the waist. From that zip allowance, I'll be removing 1/2 inch to avoid any zipper bulge. Then I'll be connecting it like this. I'll be connecting it like this. You can connect anywhere. It does not have any full stop, but the only thing there is you cannot make it very short. You have to take your ruler up to make it longer. So the 1/2 inch I removed here, I replaced it here. So I'll be cutting that out first, like this. Now, like I said, there's something that I normally do for styles like this. You know, our front and back measurements are not the same. So I'll come up from the back, from the waist, I'll come up by 1.5 inch, because it depends. Some people, their front and back half length difference. Some can be 1 inch, some can be 2.5 inches, some can be 3 inches. Someone like me is 2.5 inches. So then I'll connect it to the side like this by slanting my hand. So that is all for that. Then I'll cut it out like this. So by the time we fold this zipper allowance, it's going to be giving us a V-neck shape. So that is that for that. We are chill. Thank you for watching. So if you have any question, you can kindly drop your question in the comment section. See you in the next class. Bye.